I I want us to look at something together quickly. The other time I derived the sum of fruits. Our sum of fruits is minus b over a, and the product of whole is c over a. Okay, so this is something that we know. Suppose you're given something like, let's say this square, let's say 7x or plus 10 equals 0. This is the quadratic equation you are given. Suppose you are given this quadratic equation. So let's say given this quadratic equation, and now you are asked to find one, your sum of roots, 2, your product of roots, 3, 3, this plus this, 4, okay, we can even say 5, yes, so we have this. Okay, it's a beautiful question. Now, actually, this is very simple. If you're a PTI student, you remember you did this when you were in D1. Yes, in D1, I did it. So, and if you're doing further maths, you know that this is a very simple question. So, we just need to remember, AS squared BS plus C. So, here, my A there is 3. My B there is minus 7, and my C there is 10. Okay, so number 1, my sum of roots, therefore, is going to be what? Since sum of root is minus B over A, so that's minus 7 over what? Over 3. So that's 7 over 3. Okay. So what's going to be my product of root then? My product of root is C over A. What that means, C over A, okay, so look at it. That's C 10 divided by what? 3. What then is now going to be my this plus this? Aha, this is where the issue is. But then I need to remind us of what is called Pascal triangle. Okay, Pascal triangle, but I'm not going to do that now. Maybe I should do it somewhere, but I don't want to do it. Okay. Or maybe I should go ahead. Okay, in Pascal triangle, let me just do like small thing on that Pascal triangle here. Pascal triangle, okay? Let's say this is a coefficient, and this is, this up is coefficient, and this is the number, okay? So when you have 0 coefficients, you have something like 1. When you have 1, you have 1, 1. Please don't miss, no space safe. Okay, let me do it down because we may need the knowledge. Okay, so coefficients, then maybe the number. So 0 is 1 for Pascal triangle. So when it's 1, you have 1, 1. When the coefficient is 2, like we have 2 here, so it will be 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then 1. When it's 3, the coefficient will be what? 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, then lastly 1. When it's 4, 1 again, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus this, 6, this plus this, 4, then 1. Let me do one more. So 1 again, this plus this, that's 5, that's 10, that's 10, that's 5, then 1. So you can see now that it's actually a triangle. So we call it Pascal triangle. So when I'm doing the coefficient of 2, my focus is on this. When I'm doing coefficient of 3, like number 4 question, my focus will be this. So you may need to write it down. Thank you. Okay, so let's move on. So to do that, I will recall something, so I could just write this. Because I know if I express this, I will get this. So expand this. If you expand this, you're going to have watch is what you're going to have, because it's like you having, look at it. And then, oh, sorry. So you have this, and then you have this. So at the end of the day, you have 2 alpha beta and beta square. So that's it. So this will give you alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. So here we have this all square, so that we have this all square equals to I square plus beta square plus 2 alpha square. So at the end of the day, I will have this square. This can come in here. You have 2 alpha beta alpha square plus this. So you can see now that this is what they say we should find. And by the time we did it, look at what we got. So I can easily substitute from here. Remember, look at it now, number 2, number 3. So sum of fruit, I can substitute for sum of fruit. So what I have there is that, let's go over it now. So this is what I have now. Yes. So sum of fruit. What's sum of fruit? I'm having 7/3 squared, then 2 times product of fruit. What is product of fruit? 10/3. So that you have 7 times 7, 49. 3 times 3, that's 9. 2 times this, that's 20. And then over 3. So you can find the SCM. So let me do the SCM here. 9. This in this, that's 49. That's 3. And then 3 times 20, that's 60. So we have minus 11/9. That's the answer. Let me go over it again. 49, that's 7 times 7, that's 3 times 3, that's 9. And then here, let me write this one. 2 times 10, that's 20. So you have that. So this is what we have. Then we found the SCM. 991. 9 times 1 times 49, 49. Then 9, 3, 3, 3 times 20, that's 60. So you have that. So that's what we have. Let me show you what to do if you want to do number, this one. I will just show you the formula, and then you can do it yourself. So you tell me the answer in the comment section. You just substitute. I will evaluate it for you. So to do this, what you have to recall, just recall this. Then expand this. This will come out of it. So you have to now remember Pascal triangle. When you wrote the Pascal triangle, what was the coefficient for 3? This was a coefficient. So let's go. So it means that I will expand this. What's the next number? 3. Then the alpha will come down, the beta will come up. Here the beta is 0, so it's 1. It's nothing. Here the beta is now coming up. What's the next number there? 3. The beta is now 1. The alpha is now 1. The beta is now 2. What's the last one? 1. The beta is now 3. Why the alpha is 0? Just as beta started with 0 here. So we now have alpha cube. Bring this beta here. Beta cube. Then factorize this. Alpha beta equals to alpha square plus beta square. Good. Good. Yes, I'm helping you to simplify so that you can substitute. So we have alpha plus beta all raised to power 3. So this thing can come back here. So alpha beta this equals to this. But mind you, you cannot still substitute directly to the, even though we know the answer to this one, which is, where's the answer? Minus 11 over 9. But all the same, you still have to express it well. So this is how we do it in the exam. So you now say alpha beta. So you have here square 2 alpha beta. Yes, so this is what you have, because the alpha square plus beta square, see it here now, is equals to what? See it here. So this is it. So you cannot substitute. You cannot substitute. What's your alpha? What's the sum of roots? 7 over 3. Product of roots. So you just open the bracket. Please tell me the answer in the comment section. Then you can answer the last question. Till I come your way again, I mean your favorite tutor your me. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media platform. Bye.